Okay, we have our head here. We've let it paint. We've got it all painted. So we're ready. We want to put our eyes in now. So we're going to mount the eyes. And we're going to use these acrylic eyes here that we have. So what you want to do is you want to set your eyes in there. And then what you do is you hold this head above you so you can make sure you have them centered, which we do. And we're using plaster of Paris to put this in. You just add water to it. And you just mix it up, make it kind of pasty, not real watery. And then we just drop this in on top of that eye. So just fill that back there. Might have moved on you, so what you got to do is put it above your head again, make sure they're still centered, and we're going to tap this lightly to get that plaster to seep in around the entire eye. You can adjust that before it sets up. Because once it hardens, you can't do any more adjustments to it. But you want to make sure it gets completely around that eye. If any leaks out, you just take a little file or something and chip it away. So now we're going to set this up. It'll only take about 20 minutes, half an hour for it to set up. Then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.